about to pop this ball. Try with the air pump. He don't want me to record him. His face, so I won't. I hope this doesn't take long. Cause, yeah. Jasper! Do you care if I say your name? Okay. His name's Colin. Jeez. That thing's like 1 times its original size. It doesn't look like it on camera. Try to zoom in. That's about real life right there. I don't know. It's been 1 minute and 2 seconds. Plug your ears, Colin. I don't know how I'm gonna plug mine. I figured it out. Look at it, Colin. Colin, stop. 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 Can you? Plug your ears. Hold on. Just to be safe. Because I don't want my TV broke. I'll stand in front of it. Alright, stop now. Stop. I'll do it now. If I do this and get a knife, I'll pop it like this.